Okay, so let's jump into it. I am making some seasoned rice. Now, before I go ahead and boil my rice, I like to wash my rice. That's all right, I wash it. Because you see those little grains that's like dark colored. I don't really know what that is, don't like it, so I'm gonna wash it and take those out. And then I'll go ahead and continue to seasoning. So I'm using some Sazon garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. Whatever you want to put in your seasoned rice, go ahead and do so. Just don't make it salty. And this is a rice cooker. I love me a good rice cooker because I don't have to wait over the stove when I'm boiling rice. This will automatically turn off when it is ready and it'll keep it nice and warm. So this will do its thing for about 15 to 20 minutes max. Now let's move on to these turkey wings. I let this marinate for 2 days, you guys. So this is why I wasn't able to record when I did season the turkey wings. However, I'll leave it below. But yes, I seasoned them little mother effers up, okay? So you want to season them, and then after you season them, you want to place it into some hot oil. Make sure your oil is very hot. Now the thing with turkey wings, it's very tricky because you want it to cook throughout. So I put my temperature on medium low, so kind of in the middle. This way I'm not rushing it to cook, and it cooked for about 30 minutes in a fryer. Yes, Zyla. However, your turkey wings may take less time or more time depending on how big it is and how small it is. And I'm just continuing to constantly flip them over once they are browned. And then I go ahead and place it on top of some paper towel. This way it can drain that oil. You don't want no oily turkey wings. And I'm telling y'all, it was delicious. It is like nice and crispy. And this is my first time making turkey wings. Like fried turkey wings, I should say.